Hi.
You ready to rob this house?
Yeah. Where's the other guy?
Ray? I don't know. I told him to meet me under the street lamp.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I'm so sorry I'm late. I just, had to get a manicure first. Look at my nose.
Ray.
What?
What are you wearing?
Oh, you like my new shirt? I got it from Bell's. It was on sale.
No, I told you to wear black.
Well, you said to dress like a criminal.
Yeah, a criminal, but like not a criminal from the 40s, okay? Not like from a cartoon.
You should be more specific then.
Oh my god.
God.
Alright, whatever, guys. Whatever. Alright, we're gonna rob that house over there.
Okay.
Alright, before we do, we gotta establish code names.
Good idea.
Alright, who you gonna be?
I'll be George. George is good.
I'll be, Paul McCartney. What are you gonna be?
Choices. Oh my god. Oh, I'm Ringo!
Oh, Lord. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna break in there.
Right.
And we're gonna steal all the TVs, all the jewelry, and whatever else of monetary value.
Oh, I caught this on jury!
Alright, come on guys, let's go rob it.
Yes, finally!
What?
Alright, guys, let's rob this house.
Oh, no, you don't! What?
Guys, could you keep it down? Plus, if it's just those two, who cares? We outnumber them. And the reason why I have my hat off is because, well, everyone's out, right? So, let's just sleep in. Who cares? You know what? I'll be right back.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Dan, that's not the thing I'm doing. Here, let me just set it up myself. TV remote there, and TV. Okay, now, let's go.
Get the hell out of here.
All right, Johnny, but what about my money?
Quick, guys, get the fireworks ready.
You had some dough for me.
That effect. How much do I owe you?
AC said 10%.
Too bad AC ain't in charge no more.
What do you mean?
He's upstairs taking a bath. He'll call you when he gets out. Hey, I tell you what I'm gonna give you, Snakes. I'm gonna give you to the count of 10 to get your ugly, yellow, no good keister off my property before I pump your guts full of lead.
All right, Johnny, I'm sorry. I'm going.
1, 2, 10. Keep the change, you filthy animal.
What happened? I don't know who's in there, but somebody just got blown away. Somebody beat us to the job. They're in there. 2 of them. There was arguing. One of them blew the other one away. I don't know. I thought I recognized one of their voices. And I know I heard that name Snakes before. Snakes. Let's get out of here.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.